We got this, what is it, 2017? I think it's a 17 Ram 2500. I think it's a 17. Oh no, sorry, 15. 15. It's a 15. And, oh, that's right, the customer bought it in 17. So they had it at another shop. I guess they put 2 HVAC control modules in. You can see we got this lost communication code stored. And then we got this main left door temperature control, which might be his problem because he said that he doesn't have heat in this. So actually, I want to start this up. Let's go on our HVAC. It sounds like it's an exhaust leak. Let's go to live data. See. So let's see what happens when we put it. Oh, it's not moving. You see that? Our door's not moving. It's jammed. No matter what I put this dial to. Here, let me go widescreen. Our actual position is not moving. Well, that's interesting. Let's move these other ones. This is how our mode door works. Yeah, so that's all working. But our main door position is not working. Let's see, special functions. Let's see, reset ECU. Resetting. Let's see. Let's go back to live data. I just want to see if there's a way to force this thing to move. Active tests. Sometimes there's a relearn that we have to do. Look at that, it's not even moving. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. Try to calibrate it. See if that's a ratio. See our light flashing. I hear clicking. It may, I don't know if it lost its calibration. I don't know what they put in here. They said they did a heater core too. I guess while this is loading, we'll pop the hood and we'll check this heater core. Oh, equipped with single zone. Oh, so did it go? So that seems to have gone through. I hear clicking right now. What is clicking? Still no movement. So nothing. So guess we'll pop this hood. Let's check out this heater core. They said the heater core was clogged, but I feel like this problem was probably here the whole time. So I'm gonna find out where this door is at on this truck. Or this, what do you call it, main left temp actuator. And we'll check that out. So, a couple hours turned into a couple seconds for you guys, but I got a diagram. This is where it says the blend door actuator is. It says it's behind this, so I have to take all this stuff out. So it's not just gonna dump on the floor. And we gotta get behind this glove box, and we can test this. So let me get this glove box down. Actually, can I do this one-handed? There we go. And there it is. And it wasn't plugged in. I just pushed it down. Crap, you guys are... So this wasn't even latched in. Let's see, where's the key at? Got the key right here. Let's see if it works now. Look at that. Oh, so it's clicking? Let's go to heat. Let's go all the way to cold. Why does that not look tight? It's a lot of force. But hey, we got control now. Well, we had control. I think we might need to get a new one. So it wasn't even plugged in. So we'll get a new one, and then we'll recalibrate it, because I don't think this one's going to work with how much clicking. And the customer did say it was clicking, and then it stopped clicking after they did all this work. Wonder what his cabin filter looks like. If he has one. Is there a cabin filter in here? No. I think this is made to look like it has a cabin filter. Yeah, I don't think this has a cabin filter. Okay, so we'll get another one of these, and then should be good to go. Okay, so just to make sure that we don't have an issue where it's just not calibrated, I'm pretty sure that it's going to be our HVAC. I mean, not our HVAC, but our blend door motor. It's causing this. Let's see, we'll just reset the ECU. Okay. Cycle this. Turn our radio off again. Here you go, you hear it clicking. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. It lost its position, guys. And now it might not stop. That's probably why it was unplugged. Listen to this. See, we can't even run a test with this thing going crazy. So we'll take that out and we'll get another one. Guys, this is how it came out. All apart, tabs broke. Looks like somebody was actually prying in here. You can see marks where they were prying it. So I'm wondering if somebody forced it to turn when because they didn't have heat. Let me get this apart. Well, surprisingly, none of the teeth look destroyed on anything. I'm really surprised about that. Yeah, it doesn't look like the teeth are messed up on anything. So maybe we'll put this back in and we'll see if it, if we get it to stay together, if it makes a difference. Let's try this. put this back together. Oh, there we go. So we put it back in. Let's see. Let's turn the heater on. Anything? There it goes. So it just stopped. Full cold. Let's go full hot. Look at that, no more clicking. I wonder if we can calibrate it now. Let's see, let's do our calibration test. Let's see. Okay, so it's commanding it. So I'm not touching anything, it's doing the calibration test on its own. Scan tool says please wait. Huh, did we just fix it? No, there's one tab broken. I can't believe it passed though earlier without it being like plugged in. Look at that. Let's go to single zone. There we go. Okay. So there we go. Let's start this up. Let's go to full hot. So there we go. Full hot. No more clicking. I can't believe that, guys. It wasn't put together. And you can also see like this stuff ain't clipped in. Hey, it appears to be working. Let's see. Let's go to live data. Let's set this up here. We'll show you guys what we got going on. Main door position. Let's put these on. Put it on graph. So we'll show you guys. We'll turn the dial from full cold to full hot. Look at that. Let's go to 50 or so. 58. Boom. Look at that. It's working. So I guess this is a no part fix. Should we call Ivan? Tell him no part fix. I'll see what the customer wants to do. There's one broken tab. I don't think it's going to cause an issue. I don't think the whole thing was pushed together. There you go. So hope you guys like it. See you later. I just wanted to show you guys with the truck real quick. Here I use my thermal camera. Look at that. This ain't as bright as I thought it was going to be. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I know the temperature ain't right because it's cold air. But we got what? It's showing really cold coming out of the vent, so it's not real accurate, but you can see it's cold. Now let's put it to hot. So watch this. Look at the vent change. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. So you can see how the whole vent got hotter. Okay, I had to change the brightness on my phone so I could see. So there you go. Look how it's right in there. Now let's put this to cold. Watch this. Look at that vent cool down. You can see how the whole vent cool off. Look at that. And you can see we're on full cold down there. Look at that. I'm going to put back the hot. Now we'll see the whole thing light back up. Look. So, I hope you guys like this. See you later.